Hi, I'm Adam Liaw, and today I'm packing some quick, healthy and affordable multicultural lunchboxes with two very special guests, Dr. Kerry Chant and Dr. Marianne Gale from New South Wales Health. Marianne, what does a lunchbox look like for you most days?
Well, usually, Adam, what I try to do is pack myself a salad, maybe some protein like a boiled egg or some chicken, and usually some crackers, but nothing that looks as beautiful as this.
Kerry, why is it important to have a healthy lunch?
A healthy lunch really keeps your energy levels up and also stops you from snacking on unhealthy foods during the afternoon.
That's the really hard one, I think. So I have a Mediterranean vegetable frittata, a pea, potato and paneer wrap, some sushi sandwiches and some baked pita chips that you can choose from. I'm going to set you the task of packing a healthy lunchbox in less than 30 seconds. Now it's got to be tasty and it's got to be healthy as well. So your time starts now. And that is the end of your time. Both of these lunchboxes look absolutely fantastic. Marianne, what have you chosen?
So, Adam, I've chosen here the paneer and potato wrap because it looks delicious and I love these flavours. Some nuts, some hummus, some veggie sticks because I always have to make a conscious effort to get enough veggies in the day, and I've got a pear.
Great way to get your 5 a day of fruit and vegetables. And Kerry, what have you chosen?
I've chosen this beautiful frittata, some berries and some vegetables, a bit of pita bread, also gone for some cheese and also some fruit cup.
The fruit cup is a really great choice because whether it's canned or dried or frozen, all those types of fruits have the same nutrients as fresh, so you can get it anywhere you can. And of course, the best thing to have with either of these lunchboxes is water. No need for soft drinks or juices, and you can even freeze your water bottle to keep it cool throughout the day. Well, two amazing healthy lunchboxes. All of these recipes are on the website, so maybe give them a go and pack yourself some healthy, quick and affordable multicultural lunches. Happy lunching.